Today we're going to talk about the three states of matter, the solid, liquid, and gas. But first of all, we need to learn some vocabulary words. Melting, freezing, vaporization, and sublimation. First we're going to start with melting, which is when we have a solid form of the matter that is turned into a liquid. That's melting. Then we're going to have freezing, which is the opposite of melting. It's when you have the liquid form turn into a solid. Then we will continue with vaporization. That's when you have a liquid turn into a gas that is seen. And then the last one is sublimation. This process is from a solid to a gas, but we skip the liquid form. It automatically jumps into the gas. Now I'm just going to show you how it is in real life. We have water, and we're going to freeze it and turn it into ice. We will probably leave it in the freezer for maybe 2 to 3 hours, maybe longer, until it turns into a solid. This is what would happen. This is the solid form of the liquid, which is the ice. Now, we're going to put some of the ice in the cup. Let's think, what would happen if we take this cup outside on a hot day? What happens to the ice? It starts to melt, right? It goes back into the liquid form that it was in to begin with. Now we move on into vaporization. This is when we have liquid and we put it into a pot and put it on top of the stove and heat it up. Then we see how it starts to vaporize and there's some gas coming out. Then we can continue for the last one, which is sublimation. On that one, we can pretend that there is no water in this pot, and then we put the ice, but it's really hot because it's in the stove, so it's hot, and it would immediately turn into the gas form.